Hey everyone, Minnie's Handbags here and welcome. Today guys, I am super excited to be sharing with you guys one of my birthday bag unboxings. And y'all, your girl is even more excited because this is a Coach retail unboxing, and this is actually my second retail bag from Coach. Now I did opt for gift wrapping as well too, but before we get into the video guys, I have to give credit where credit is due. I watched my girl, I believe it's Life with Sim, and she shared her Coach summer sale unboxing of this particular bag and the size. And when I saw the bag and the size, I was like, yep, I need to order this bag. Now, I originally had this bag on my list to pick up before the end of the year, but just in a different size. I did want the larger size, but for some reason your girl has been gravitating to mini handbags for some reason, and I think it's because I do want to curate a mini handbag collection, just so when I am not in the mood to carry a big bag, I do have options to wear smaller bags as well too. Now, I did pick this up in the suede as well too, so I am excited to dive into this unboxing to see and feel this bag and see if she's going to end up being a keeper in my collection, y'all. So once again, here is the box. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, I did opt for gift wrapping because this is a birthday gift from me to me. My birthday was in July, and I've been eyeing this bag for a little while. You guys have even heard me talk about this bag a few times, have seen me share some photos or videos of me trying this bag on as well in the larger size, but this smaller size was so cute, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that's how it came in the box. This is upside down. So let me go ahead and take it out. And that is my receipt. Alright, guys, so this is how she came gift wrapped. This is so pretty, y'all. I'm going to have to keep this box. Y'all, I'm a little nervous. Oh. Alright. Here we go. So that is how she came wrapped in the box. Alright, so as you guys can see, your girl did pick up the Coach Empire 21 and this gorgeous suede, y'all. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Y'all, I am loving this color. This suede feels so good. Okay, y'all, let me move this stuff out of the way so we can get into it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into the details of this gorgeous bag, starting off with the color, y'all. So this is in the color clay, and that is what she looks like on the front, the side, and the back. And y'all, she does have her tapping shoes on because she does have 4 feet on the bottom. All the hardware on this bag is in gold. She has the hang tag, and even the hang tag is in suede, y'all. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. Now, she does have the Coach logo here on the front, but it is stamped in gold. She has these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous top handles. She also has a top zipper closure. She has the D-rings on either side of the bag so that you can wear her as a crossbody. She has no outside pockets. All right, and the style number for this bag, I do have my tablet here, so I can tell you guys the style number for this bag is CEC03 if anybody wants to know. And once I have my tablet here, I want to go over the measurements of this cutie as well too. So the length of this bag is 8 inches. The height of the bag is 6.75 inches. Y'all, the width of this bag is 5 inches, y'all. And y'all know I like a bag that has at least 5 inches on the bottom. So I am in love. Now, I am really hoping that all of my items will be able to fit in this bag. So towards the end of the video, I will grab some items out of my carry for today and see if it'll fit in this gorgeous bag. But another reason why I fell for this bag, not just because she is absolutely gorgeous, y'all, but because she can be widened more if I need to. The adjustments are here on the sides, so I could make her a little bit wider if I needed to. So I will share that with you towards the end of the video as well too, so that we can see if I can add more in her when she is widened. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a peek in the interior of this gorgeous bag. And just so that you guys know, the zipper can either be tucked inside of the bag or you can leave it out as well. And look at that nice wide opening. Y'all, she is so beautiful, y'all. So beautiful. All right, so here is her crossbody, and this is adjustable so that you guys can see. And I like how one side of the crossbody is in that beautiful suede, but the other side is in leather as well too. And then of course you do have your brass hardware here as well, and I like how large the hardware is on here as well too. Alright guys, so I did put the crossbody on the bag as well so that you guys can see what the crossbody looks like. I did adjust it to the shortest setting, so I will show you what it looks like on me. And the handle drop on here is 5.25, so not tall enough to wear as a shoulder bag, but definitely as a top handle or crook of the arm. And then I will throw this on to show you what it looks like as a crossbody. So that is what she looks like on me as a crossbody. So she stops like right at my hip. So, and that is on the shortest setting. And I'm pretty sure if she's on the longest setting, she will probably fall a little bit further down, but probably not too much. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look in the interior. Now she does have like I don't know if this is suede in the inside too. I'm thinking it is because it does feel like that in the interior. And then you can see in the inside on that back wall where you can make your adjustments to make her wider. And on the front wall you do get a snap pocket as well too, y'all. Oh, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. Now, as far as the adjustments go in the inside, you do get 3 holes, so you can adjust it to make it a little bit smaller or to make it as large as it can, or expand it as much as it can go out. Okay, right now it's currently on the 2nd setting, so I am going to move it to the 1st setting after I already show you what fits in her when it's on the 2nd setting. Okay, all right guys, so let's see what all fits in this cutie. So I am going to go ahead and put it on the 1st setting and see if there is a difference. Alright guys, so as you can see, I did go ahead and adjust it to the very 1st setting. And it did give her a little bit more room. I think I like it better on this setting because it did loosen her up a little bit more. And I do feel like I have a little bit more room in the back, as you guys can see. So if I wanted to, I could put a few more items back there as well. And this is what she looks like zipped up. So yes, y'all, I think she is definitely going to be a keeper in my collection. This is the Coach Empire 21 in from the suede collection, and it is in the color clay. I do want to see what my bag charm looks up against her. Oh, that is gorgeous, y'all. Now my flower bag charm is definitely darker than the clay, but I still think it is absolutely gorgeous. And if I wanted to, I could even use my black one as well too. That definitely makes the bag pop even more. Like, I am so loving this, y'all. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad that I did go ahead and pick up the Empire 21. She is a beautiful bag, and I definitely see her being a forever piece in my collection. But I'm even more excited that I was able to pair all of my items with this gorgeous bag. All right, guys, so as you can see, I was able to fit all of my items into this beautiful bag, and I am so glad that I was able to do that. Now I know I can keep her in my collection, y'all. And I'm really, really glad that I picked her up doing Coach Summer Sale, because I did pick this bag up for $162.50. Yes, guys. This beautiful Empire 21 for $162.50 during the Coach Summer Sale. So I am really, really glad that I was able to snag this bag. Now I will be spraying her as well too. I will be using my Michael Kors suede cleaner, and I have already used it on another suede bag that I have gotten from Coach, which is my large Rowan. So I know that it won't affect the my suede Empire bag. Let me know down in the comments if you guys picked up a Empire. What size and color did you get as well? Let me know down in the comments, and let me know what you think of the 21, y'all. This is my Coach Summer Sale birthday handbag unboxing, guys. And if you stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you. Also, make sure to drop me some green hearts down below to let me know you watched the video all the way to the end, as well as like this video. Make sure to hype this video, and make sure to check out my recent upload, which was my Amazon Chelsea dupe unboxing. I will make sure to leave that video link down below if you guys have not yet checked it out. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.